Welcome to this video on network systems and internet connectivity. Today, we'll explore the basics of how our devices stay connected and the technology that powers the World Wide Web. The internet relies on addressing systems to identify devices. While IPv4 uses a 32-bit scheme with a limited set of addresses, the newer IPv6 system uses 128 bits, providing a virtually infinite supply of unique identifiers for all our devices. The transition to IPv6 is driven by the explosive growth of the Internet of Things. Beyond providing more addresses, it simplifies routing by eliminating the need for NAT, allowing devices to communicate directly and efficiently. IP addresses can be static or dynamic. Static addresses are permanent, perfect for servers and printers, while dynamic addresses are leased temporarily, making them ideal for common household devices and mobile phones. To automate address assignment, we use the DHCP protocol and its four-step DORA process: discover, offer, request, and acknowledge. This prevents IP conflicts and makes joining networks seamless. The Domain Name System, or DNS, acts as the Internet's directory. It bridges the gap between human-friendly domain names, like google.com, and the complex numeric IP addresses that machines use to communicate. Internet service providers operate in a hierarchical tier system to route data globally. From the massive global backbone of Tier 1 to local providers managing the last mile of connection, they use BGP protocols to find the most efficient paths. We connect to ISPs through various physical media. Fiber optic cables offer the best speed and latency, while cable, DSL, and satellite options provide different levels of accessibility, distance sensitivity, and signal performance depending on your location. Cellular technology has evolved from 3G to 5G, now offering speeds that rival physical fiber connections. Technologies like fixed wireless access allow for wire-free home internet, providing a competitive alternative to traditional broadband. Setting up a home network is straightforward. Connect your modem to the ISP line, link your router, access the admin panel via your browser, configure your unique Wi-Fi security, and optimize your router's placement for the best signal. Security is vital. Always implement modern WPA3 encryption for your Wi-Fi and disable outdated protocols like WPS, which contain serious flaws that attackers can exploit to bypass your network password. For data in transit across the public internet, use SSL and TLS for secure website browsing and a VPN to mask your IP address and encrypt all your device traffic, providing an essential layer of privacy and security. If your internet goes down, follow a logical path. Check your physical cables and lights, power cycle your equipment, and perform command line diagnostics to identify whether the issue is local or a broader ISP outage. By mastering these networking fundamentals, you are better equipped to build, manage, and secure your digital environment. Understanding these core concepts keeps your online experience fast, reliable, and safe. To further your understanding, try a tabletop simulation where you act as the network infrastructure. By manually routing data packets through a mock environment, you can visualize the real-time logic of DNS and the DORA process.